Hello again on channel Rita's Alteration and Clothing Designer. Today I decided to do two different patterns at once. So I will do the pattern B. So it's for babies jacket with a hoodie. This is one for oldest kids. I will do the same thing with the hoodie, with the sport jacket with the hoodie. I have some sort of like cuff, and it's white, but I found black colors will be black, because with this pattern I will do this fabric. So this will be inside like a lining, and it's like 100% cotton. So this fabric is good for for rain. I have no idea how it's called. So it's like, if you can hear, like umbrella fabric. I have to find out the name of this fabric. Next, for this one, I will do this fabric, and look, it's kind of like a really strange cut. This way. See? It's a scrap. It's a scrap from another my work. I will show to you later. This will be lining, also 100 cotton. This is will be top. I hope it will be enough fabric. This will be, I will make some pants like this, like little pants. Yep. So and it will be bottom like this and top like this. Maybe it's too much, but you still can wear it separately or together. But see, the color is go together, like green leaves. Look how it's match. See, look how this is flowers match. Only blue, I don't have blue, but I have polka dots in here, black color, and I kind of like have a grayish leaf in here, which is, I think it will be good, in my opinion. Not everybody see what I see, right? And of course I need a zipper. I'm not sure which one, but for the big jacket, for adult one, it will be this one. And for kid, I'm not sure. I have to see this one or the smaller one. So I will start to put my fabric on a table, put the pattern on top of the fabric, and start to cut. But before that, I will show to you what I did with this fabric. Beautiful pieces. This is a skirt, right? And I have embroidery. One is kind of like a purple butterfly, and another black color butterfly. Underneath I have lining, and I put like a tutu ruffles. So, and this is how it's look underneath the lining. Very shiny, very pretty. And this is one piece. And this is second piece. And this fabric. This is second piece. And I just put some embellishment to this raincoat. Again, light blue, dark blue. The cuff, you can fold this in half and then when child grow, you just can unfold and just wear like this. It's not really come together, it's separate, because this is the small size and this is for bigger girl. And also I forgot, it's on the back, so it's just for a show. So this is 2 pieces I did. And on this raincoat I have a hoodie, right? It's very beautiful, and it will be in my, so it's also open up on the end. It's very beautiful inside, and I have pockets on the side right here, so you can put your hands in here, and like old-fashioned we have a loop in here. So there we go. Now I go and start to work with the fabric and pattern. Thank you for watching Rita's Alteration and Clothing Designer. See you next video. Bye. Have a beautiful life. Bye bye.